Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make someone admin on Telegram channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app. Here you can see a Telegram channel on the top. Click on it. Now click on the top of your screen where your channel's name and number of subscriber is located. Now click on the subscribers option having double profile icon. Click on the three vertical dots beside the name of the person you want to make admin. Here you can see the promote to admin option. Click on it. Then simply tap on the right button. Now go to the previous page. Click on the administrators option. And here you can see that the selected person has become an admin. And that is how you can make someone admin on Telegram channel. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.